All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Heath Craig. I'm going to be going over the actual setup process of SalesAspects through the setup menu using the setup wizard, and then we will dive into some additional setup functionality after that as well, such as setting up your IDX, high converting IDX website, um, uh, setting up your CRM, setting up your email marketing. So first, as soon as you log into SalesAspects, you'll see the welcome screen, and this is a wizard, an account setup wizard to help you through the setup process to make it a little easier. This is a little information on the front screen to explain to you what SalesAspects is used for, such as your CRM, email marketing, and your high converting IDX websites to help you sell more. And once you read this, let's go ahead and go to the second step of getting started. And you'll see here tells you how far along you are in the setup process. First of all, make sure to get your business license in, job title, make sure your name is spelled correctly. Photos are uploaded onto your account. If not, make sure to upload your photo here under the upload tool. Make sure you have your email in and it's the correct email address to use. And then you have your phone number, office number. You have, make sure to put your mobile number in. And then you have your notifications, mobile notifications here. You've got your carrier provider. Now the tool here for mobile notifications will allow you to be text messaged all of your leads immediately to your cell phone, which is extremely important in making sure that your conversions are high in your lead generation, right? So if somebody comes to your website and they register, you want to be able to get that lead immediately, right? So this will text message you all of your leads immediately, and then either allow you to log into SalesAspects mobile or to log into SalesAspects on your desktop or your iPad or tablet or something like that. So then you have your password recovery questions, and then you'll go ahead and go to the next step here. Make sure your time zone is also set correctly. Now I'm going to go ahead and go through a little piece here, which is choosing your website design. All right, so you can choose from the different design options by clicking here on Change Design, or you can just select the standard design that's available. I recommend going to Change Design and scrolling all the way to the bottom of the screen here. And this is one of our latest high converting IDX website solutions called the Sunset Village. And I would then just go ahead and select the color theme that I wanted to use. I'm going to go ahead and select the orange and blue and use that design. And you can see here that it automatically will then select the Sunset Village agent theme. But make sure that you do choose an agent theme here. And so I'm going to use the specifically designed Sunset Village agent theme in my template, which will then automatically develop and create my website with all of the high converting content pre-built out for my website. And I'm going to click on Next. And then you'll see that you'll have either your corporate theme banner available, or if you want to use just a specific colored banner, you can use that as well. It's totally up to you, but there are different options for you to use in there as well. So you can just select your theme that you want to use, and then you can put in your contact information. can also put in your links to your Facebook links as well. So I've got Facebook or something like that. So if you want to add links for your different social media, click on Image Manager here on the right hand side. Global images. And under global images, we have here the general use images, general use. And then you'll see here social networking icons. And then you select the icons that you want to use, and then insert. And then I simply click on the image and hyperlink manager, and then I just type in my Facebook page. And then maybe I want it to open up in a new window, and then select OK. All right. So again, if I want a secondary image there, Image Manager, Global Images, General Use, Social Networking, and then maybe I want my Google Plus, and then I just simply highlight it, Hyperlink Manager, new window, and OK. Now if I want to preview, I can now preview. I've got my image here for my email. I've got all my links back to my website. I've got my links here. If I got my company logo, got all my contact information. Again, if I want to select from my website URL, I've got my pre-selected URL here. If I want to select from different themes, typically my company theme option is right here at the top. So I'm using the Wilkinson Real Estate ERA account for our demo, so you can see here, and then I have links right back to my website. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next step. That was email. And this is where you agent ID, public ID for accessing your MLS data onto your website. So you want to then put in your agent public ID for your MLS data so that you can have IDX, full IDX data on your website and on your back-end CRM. All right, so then we go to next step, importing of contacts. So importing of contacts is a fairly easy process here. You will want a CSV or an Excel spreadsheet file, and I have a Google file here for us, or a contact file for us to use here, and I've got it called Heath's Test Contacts, and you can see that I've got a couple of contacts in here. I've got first name, last name, email, phone number, notes, and groups. Okay, and then I have contact one is Sarah, first name B, last name Sarah B, email. Okay, so these are just some fake contacts. I also have some notes in here, such as follow up on Sarah, needs CMA created. All right, and then I've got some additional groups, so you can see here that you can put multiple groups. You can import contacts into multiple groups. So I've got Sarah that's in all contacts and HomeSwing. I've got John, I'm going to put into all contacts, comma, Gmail, Zillow. So I maybe got John from a Zillow lead or something like that, right? Martha, and then you're going to get phone numbers. I'm not going to put any notes or contacts in that one. Then I'm going to hit save. You can see here at the bottom I have the file saved again as contact test. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And then I'm going to go back to SalesAspects contact import so that I can show you the import process. Now you might have a contact database already created that you want to import in, or you might want to export a contact database out of multiple other solutions that you're using, such as maybe your MLS or Gmail or something like that. You can compile all of those different databases into one, or you can import them in as separate into separate groups as well. So I'm going to click on Start Import, and then you'll see here on the right hand side it says Browse, and then I'm going to go to my Documents, to the Contact Test, and then I'm going to click on Upload here at the bottom. Upload. Now you can see I've got in green, that means that it recognized that format. But over here in groups it didn't recognize it because it's not green, so it's not mapped. So you need to go and select the groups format, and the reason it didn't recognize that is because I didn't it just, it didn't recognize groups. It had what was called contact group. Okay, so that's what ours calls it, contact group. I called it groups. So you can see that you'll have to make sure that you map each one correctly. Notes, groups, contact group, primary phone, email, last name, first name. Now I can also add an additional group if I want to, create a new group, such as all contacts or whatever I want to call it. And I can also put contacts into a specific status, such as I recommend putting everybody in evaluate status, like we go over in our CRM lead cultivation course. Evaluate, and then click on import. Now I had 3 contacts, and it says that I imported 3 contacts successfully. We will go to the final step. You have successfully set up your account. You click on finish. So now I have 3 contacts all imported into my account. I have them all broken out into their groups, and I also have my website created. There we go. All of my navigation is created. Got my hot property listings. It's all ready for lead generation with my high converting IDX lead generation tools. Now under setup menu, if you want to go and modify any of the setup tools that we just went over, such as your profile, team profile, photos, email notifications, social links, list, your ID, MLS IDs, your username and password, or notifications of leads, you just simply click on setup and you can modify any of those functions that we just went over in the setup wizard. If you want to create a website directly from the website tab, you can simply click on website and click on new website and build a new website with a new domain name by clicking on new website tab. I recommend also transferring your domain name or purchasing a domain name as well. So when you click on website, make sure to put in your domain name in here, and then you will then need to transfer DNS from your domain name provider, which would be such as GoDaddy, Network Solutions. The two DNS entries that you will need to make, if you want to get your DNS entries, you click on new website, and then here under instructions for transferring DNS, just click on here and you'll see the name servers, or complete instructions on transferring domain name to SalesAspects. You click here and this will give you complete instructions on transferring DNS from Register, GoDaddy, Network Solutions, Domain, Direct to Cows, and a few others. If any time you need help in transferring your domain name, you can call your company or tech support at NetAspects. If you need to get tech support, click on the home screen, and if you scroll to the right, your tech support is right. Contact information is here on the right hand side. Here are some startup instructions such as send an email, start an email marketing campaign, add a contact, view edit your contacts, import your contacts, creating a website, add import listings, updating your user profile. These are some things to think about in making sure you understand how to use inside of SalesAspects. Again, I'm going to go to website tab and show you how to create a website very simply from the website tab. Click on new website, give the website a name, or put in your actual website address, keithcraig.com or something like that. And then again, go to select your theme. I'm going to select a different color this time. I'm going to go with something blue. Create website. Use the Sunset Village theme, which will build out all of your unique content, and then click on publish and publish. Now your website is created and you are ready to go. If you want to change out your photo on your website, you click on start new revision, edit revision. Click on the main theme image here on the front screen and you'll see edit this content, and it says choose image. Right now there's a pond with flowers in there. Choose image, go to global images again, and I'm going to go to the Sunset Village here on the left hand side or right here in the center of the screen, and you'll see it says full screen image, and there are a selection of different images for you to select from. I will select the image of my choice, click on insert, and then save. Now I go to website Click on Publish Revision, Publish, View, and now I have my awesome new looking photo that I'm loving. I'd love to have that view outside of my house. And my website is now live and ready for me to market. That is the setup process for setting up your account.